Model, 65-plate Citroen Dispatch Expert 1200 L2h1 Enterprise HDI long MOT low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110599. MOT, the 28th of January 2026. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,